If you want to pin buttons to the Chrome toolbar, including things like Cast, Save, or Share, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. This is a super helpful trick because it makes your most used Chrome features easier to access, and it keeps your browser cleaner and more organized. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three dots menu, which is the main Chrome menu. Click those three dots to open the dropdown. From there, hover over the options until you find things like Cast, Save, or Share. If you do not see the button you want right away, keep checking the menu because Chrome may place it inside one of those options. Once you find Cast, click it. After that, the Cast button should appear on your toolbar. Now here's the important part. Right-click on the Cast button that appears on the toolbar. A small menu will open, and from there you can click Pin. Once you do that, the button stays on your toolbar for easy access anytime you need it. This works the same general way for other Chrome features and extension buttons too. If you want to pin extensions, click the Extensions button in the top right corner next to your profile picture. That puzzle piece icon shows the list of installed extensions. Find the extension you want to keep visible, then click the pin icon next to its name. The extension button will instantly move onto your toolbar, so you can open it without going back into the extensions menu. If you ever want to remove it, just click the pin icon again and it will unpin from the toolbar. So whether you're pinning Cast, saving a shortcut, or making extension buttons visible, the process is simple once you know where to look. Just open the Chrome menu, find the feature, click it, and then pin it so it stays on the toolbar. That's all there is to it. If this helped, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.